Hey dolls, and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'll be showing you how I styled my hair with the new Luxx Air Pro 2. I'm very excited actually to review this device and to show you how it works because one of my viewers actually commented about this device even before the Luxx team have reached to me, and she was telling me that this is actually a good alternative for the Dyson Airwrap. So I was very curious on how this performed because I've already tried the Dyson Airwrap version 1 and then the new version of the Airwrap and then this. So I'm very excited to show you how I use this Luxx Pro and how this actually compares with the two Dyson Airwraps. So I'm going to show you the box that it comes with. It comes in this beigey color and it's very slim, so you can see. So it's so much easier to carry around because with my Dyson Airwrap, it's actually like bigger and really huge. So it's hard for me to carry the Dyson Airwrap around, especially if I'm traveling with it. Like I can't just like do this. I have to like use my two hands and like kind of like grab it like this when I'm traveling. It also comes in 4 attachments. So it has this blow dry attachment, it has the volumizing brush attachment, and it has a smoothing brush attachment, and of course the curling barrel attachment. So this one goes to my left and this one goes to my right. It also comes with the gloves. I didn't use it when I styled my hair, but if you have very sensitive hands and you're not okay to hold your hair and have that heat, then this will be very helpful to you. Let me show you how I use this Luxx Air Pro 2 on my short hair. So first, I start with a freshly washed hair. It's still wet. So I'm just putting on a hair primer. You can also use a hair mousse if you like. Then I'm going to section my hair and I'm just gonna leave my bangs out. So I'm going to clip this away. And then I'm going to blow dry my hair just until it's 80% dry. Because the best way to use the curling barrel is on damp hair. Not on soaking wet hair, not on dry hair, but on damp hair. So I'm going to put it on second setting heat, second setting fan. That took me about less than a minute, especially now that I have short hair. It really gives you that soft blow. When I use this and I compare it to my Dyson Airwrap, I'm gonna show you a comparison side by side later, and actually both perform the same. Like, to be honest, I can't really tell the difference between the two. It's very powerful. I can't really tell the difference. So when it comes to this blow drying attachment, it is very comparable to the Dyson Airwrap. So I'm going to remove this and then I'm going to put on the curling barrel. So I'm going to show you how you put the attachment. You just have to put it inside and then twist. And when you hear the click, then it's locked. Then to release the barrel or the attachment, you just have to push this button, untwist, remove. So it's very easy. So I'm going to start with my left side. As you can see, the arrows goes to the left. Also, the key here is to section off small sections of hair and then hold the ends of your hair. I'm going to put this on a 3rd level heat, 3rd level fan. So when I feel that my hair is almost dry, I push the cool shot button to really hold the style in, and then I let go of the barrel slowly. You see how curled my hair is? good. It's a perfect curl. And did you see how the hair really wraps into the barrel? It's very secure. What I do with this is I just pin it. It's optional. I do this because I have short hair, so it just really keeps the style longer. And plus it's easier for me if I pin it so I know which section is done. And then I'm going to do the same thing. I'm going to curl it with a wand, and then when I feel that it's almost dry, I'm going to hit the cool shot button for about 5 seconds to really keep the style and hold the style in. What I like about this is I also don't get confused with the buttons, because the cool shot and the power button is different, so I don't mix it up. Because with my Dyson Airwrap, I usually mix up the cool shot with the turn off button. So instead of like putting a cool shot, I usually turned it off. But since those buttons are different with this device, with the Luxx Air Pro 2, you don't get confused with it. So again, I'm just going to pin it up, and then I'm just going to finish my whole hair the same way. Look at those curls, so bouncy. As you can see, I don't clip this part of my hair anymore. I can easily see which hair has already been curled and which hair has not been curled. So I'm done with this side. I'm gonna move on to my right side. Okay, so I curled both sides. Now let's go to my bangs. I'm going to remove this attachment, and I'm going to use the volumizing attachment. I'm also going to put it on the highest fan, highest heat. I'm going to remove the pins, shake my hair a little bit. What I like about this is because it has this cool shot, you don't have to wait for your curls to get cool. It already has that cool shot for you. So I parted it on this side. So you have two options. You can part it this way, or you can part it like in the middle. So this is my finished hairstyle. My hair feels super bouncy, and for half the price you can really have this amazing blowout style. When it comes to ease of use, I didn't have any adjustments when it comes to using this Air Pro 2. It's very easy to use. It gives you an amazing result in just a few minutes, and my hair is super bouncy and my curls would last me for 2 days or more. It's such a great device. It is easily comparable to the Dyson Airwrap. I like that it really grips the hair well, and it has a very long barrel, so the hair wouldn't escape, because once, like you can see while I was curling my hair, some of the strands will go to the barrel, and since it has like a really long barrel, it can have space to wrap that hair, so you can make sure that every hair strand is curled, and it has a really strong grip to the hair. So you can see that all my hair were curled on the barrel because it really grips the hair very well. To be honest, I've used the Dyson Airwrap, the first version, the new version, and now the Luxx Pro Air 2. And I can really say that it's a good alternative to the Dyson Airwrap, especially if you want to save money. And the Luxx team is also so generous and will be giving my viewers a 12% discount when you use my promo code as shown on the screen. They also offer 10 days money back guarantee if you're not satisfied with your device, which I don't think you would be because it's such an amazing device, so there's nothing to lose. I honestly think it's worth the buy. I'll be putting all the links on how you can get one on my description below, and if you have any questions that I didn't cover on this video, just comment down below. I'll be happy to answer all of your questions. Thank you all so much for watching, and I'll see you on my next one.